Welcome back everyone, Levi here, and today we're talking about the number one stock in the online services. Which one do I think it is? I'm so excited to share with you eBay. EBAY is their ticker symbol. And I think they're ready to really dominate the market. With COVID and the pandemic, I think everyone has a lot of products that they want to either get rid of or supply for their home or their spaces that they live in. Have you guys used the eBay app recently? I know I have. I've been able to sell a lot of things on there and get good deals on other things that I wanted. Last year, eBay made a whopping $2.5 billion in net income. That's an incredible turnaround in their net income year over year. It's 67%. The prior years, they were actually declining in revenue and not doing as well. Now, the size of the company is $44 billion. That's a huge amount, but in relation to some of the other juggernauts in the stock market, they're relatively still pretty low. If you look at the ROE in Webull app, it is eBay. And if you're not quite sure what ROE is, I have a video that I created that you can look at up here in this corner. As soon as I saw this particular stock, I wanted to get invested in it right away. Here it is. Just look at these numbers in their 10K report, and that's just simply the most recent quarter that they reported. You can see that the numbers are really good. They've really been able to turn around this business, and some of their competitors are MTCH, MUBA, GRVY. Some of the ones you might actually know are Visa, Netflix, Trade Desk, and Facebook. Hey, did you know that eBay stock went up 71% in the past year? This is just phenomenal considering this is a company that's turning around their profits. They've been able to create a lot of extra cash at the end of the year to grow the business in future ones. I'll leave you guys with this. I have a bunch of stuff that I've been able to sell on eBay, and I've been able to get several $100s worth from it. So now I've been able to use that money and just grow myself and be able to buy new stuff. This is just a good cycle where I've been able to repurpose some of the old stuff I have and be able to invest it in new products that I want. What did you guys think of this week's video? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, let me know by giving me a thumbs up, by hitting that blue button, and subscribe to the video. And I look forward to sharing more with you in the next video. Are you guys wondering where I pulled all this information and what the charts that I was showing you are in? It's the Webull app. And I found this to be the quickest way to look at a stock and find out all the great metrics. So check out the description and the link below, and I will have you be able to sign up easily for it. And you can deposit $100 into the account. You don't even have to invest it right away. There's no penalties or fees that you have to get started with. So completely free, and they give you a free stock when you sign up and continue with the account. So I encourage you to do that. Grow as an investor. Get your hands in there and start investing. You can get your snowball started right now, and down the road in a few years, that snowball is going to be huge and you're going to be able to have much more opportunities. See you guys later. Stay invested.